Be honest. Your brain wants to study, but your phone wants attention. And guess who wins? Yeah, the one that vibrates and pulls you into doom scrolling. But what if I told you that you can study for 3 to 4 hours straight in full monk mode, without your phone, without distractions, and without stress? Sounds impossible, right? Not really. The problem isn't your focus. The problem is your system. People think I can't focus, but the real issue is that focus is not set up properly. You sit at your desk with your phone beside you, 12 notifications, 8 tabs open, and your brain says, just 1 minute of Instagram. But that 1 minute turns into a 45-minute rabbit hole, and suddenly you're watching videos about why pigeons move their heads. So rule number 1 is fix your setup, not your focus. Create an anti-distraction bubble by removing chaos first. Put your phone in another room or use apps like Forest, Cold Turkey, or Freedom. And if you're watching this on YouTube, finish the video and then lock your phone. Also tell your family or roommates you're going into monk mode and only disturb you if there's cake or a fire. Next comes the 52-17 rule. Instead of forcing 3 hours non-stop and burning out in 30 minutes, study for 52 minutes and take a 17-minute break because this matches your brain's ultradian rhythm. You're not a robot, you're a rhythm machine. During breaks, stretch, drink water, relax. But don't open WhatsApp because that turns breaks into traps. Then follow the one-tab rule. Multitasking is modern distraction, and research shows task switching eats up 40% of productivity. So study one subject, keep one tab open, go full screen, and pretend the internet only has your syllabus. Fuel your brain properly by staying hydrated, eating smart snacks like nuts, dark chocolate, and blueberries, remembering that caffeine is helpful only in moderation because too much leads to anxiety and crashes. Be ruthlessly specific with your goals. Never say, I'll study math today. Say, I'll finish Chapter 3 Integration Basics by 5 p.m. because a clear finish line triples focus and gives your brain direction. Remember that focus is a muscle, not a magic switch. Distractions will happen. You might open YouTube for one video and lose 30 minutes, but instead of feeling guilty, reset and return to the task because every comeback strengthens your attention muscle. Finally, understand the power of boring. Whoever can do boring things consistently becomes powerful in the long run, whether it's cracking exams, getting into a dream college, or leveling up life because discipline always beats motivation. Focus is one of the most valuable skills in the world, and every time you ignore distraction, you make your brain rarer. So recap, keep your phone away, follow the 52-17 rule, use one tab per subject, stay hydrated with snacks ready, write specific goals, and reset without guilt. You don't need more motivation. You need a better system, and now you have it. So create your anti-distraction bubble. Take your study game to the next level, and if you want a focused, productive, and chill life, hit like and subscribe to Neurotalks so you don't miss the next video that upgrades your brain.